I got a couple of fun ones for you here today, Will. Maybe you're going to give these a shot considering it's the summer and you're looking for a way to stay refreshed. Get a kick out of fizzy coffee. Did you ever consider having yourself a fizzy coffee? Let me explain something to you.
No, but I'd like to. I'll give it a shot.
You're going to give it a shot. Well, why don't we both give it a shot later on?
Okay.
Apparently, the way that this is made is by adding carbonated water to espresso in a kind of Americano format where you would normally add water, just regular water. You know, you would have like an iced Americano. Well, that's espresso, water, ice.
Yeah.
So you throw in a little fizzy water. And I love to drink that stuff anyways. And I'm amazed I've never actually had this before. There are companies that put it in a can. They put the whole package in a can, carbonated water, coffee, espresso, hefty flavor.
Yeah.
But this is more at the coffee shop type of scenario, or maybe do it yourself.
Like a soda stream, put it in coffee.
You got to start with strong enough coffee. So it's going to have to be espresso. You can't take an iced coffee and start pouring water in it, or it's going to get diluted and it's going to be no good. But if you start with some nice espresso in a cup, you throw the ice in to chill it down, right? Because you don't want the dilution to ruin the thing. Then you hit it with the carbonated beverage, carbonated water, and you got yourself a fizzy summer cold beverage. Are you going to give it a shot?
Yeah.
Otis apparently is going to give it a shot.
He's down.
He got a little bark.
Fully down.
He's got a little bark going because he's thirsty himself. I think it's a nice little mix-up for the summer beverage. That's all I think about it. But I got another one. Maybe is more tantalizing to you.